Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to view the 200-day moving average on Tradingview. This is one of the most widely used indicators for spotting long-term trends in the market. The 200-day moving average helps us see if an asset is in a long-term uptrend or downtrend, and traders and investors often use it to find support and resistance levels. Let's get started. First, open any chart in Tradingview. This works for stocks, crypto, forex, or futures. Make sure your chart time frame is set to daily. The 200-day moving average uses daily price data. Next, click on the Indicators button at the top of your chart. In the search bar, type Moving Average Exponential. Click here. Once the moving average is added, you will see a line on your chart. To set it to 200 days, click on the gear icon next to the name of the indicator in your chart legend to open the settings. Inside the settings, go to the Inputs tab. Look for the field labeled Length and change it to 200. This tells the moving average to use the last 200 days of price data. You can also change how the line looks. For example, make it thicker or change the color so it stands out on the chart. Many people use red or blue to make it easy to see. We'll use the default for now. When you apply the settings, you will see the 200-day moving average line on your chart. This line moves with the price and helps us see the long-term trend. Here's how traders use it. If the price is above the 200-day moving average, we see a bullish trend. If the price is below the 200-day moving average, we see a bearish trend. The line can also act as support or resistance, where the price may bounce or reverse. A few tips. You can add more moving averages like the 50-day moving average to compare and spot crossovers. Use the 200-day moving average with other indicators like RSI or MACD for better confirmation. Make sure your chart uses daily candles or the 200-day moving average won't show the correct long-term trend. To recap, open Indicators, type Moving Average Exponential, set the length to 200, and change the line style if you want. Watch how the price moves around the 200-day moving average to spot trends and support or resistance. The 200-day moving average is a simple but powerful tool that helps us see the bigger market picture and make better trading decisions. If this video helped, like the video and subscribe for more Tradingview tutorials.